Hello everyone and welcome to another video on Turban Outfitter. Today is the first video of the 12 DIYs of Christmas. Thank you guys so much for patiently waiting for this. So for the first video, we're going to start off with ornaments. So you have your tree ready, you have it fluffed, you have it ready to go, you have it lit, you have it garland. If you don't know how to do that, check out my last video on this channel. And what better way to decorate your tree than with A, ornaments that you've made with your own hand, 2, ornaments that you've injected your personal creativity into, and D, they don't cost a dime. So watch as I create 3 easy DIY ornaments. So first I'm going to start off with this project that I actually learned in elementary school with Easter eggs. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take a clear ornament like this one and you're going to remove the top, and then I'm going to measure the circumference of this ornament and divide that in half, and then I'm going to take half of that circumference and cut out a piece of paper with that width. And then I'm going to take that piece of paper and I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to make small slits on that piece of paper. So when I unfold it, it should look a little something like this. And then I'm going to hot glue the center onto the ornament so that the center of the strip that isn't cut is securely fastened. And then it should look like this, and I'm going to fold the little strips back. And then I'm going to apply school glue to each of the individual strips. And then once that school glue is on, one by one, I'm going to glue the strips down, and I'm going to do that until every single strip is glued. And once every single strip is down, it should look a little something like this. So as you can see, the pattern basically transfers onto the ornament, and then you've got something that is unique and one of a kind. This project is also super simple and looks beautiful if you place it in front of a light on the tree. So I'm going to start off with a baking tray, which will catch all the excess material I'm going to put on the ornament. And I'm going to take one of these clear craft ornaments you can get from the dollar store or from Michael's, and I'm going to apply some clear craft glue on them. And then I'm going to use my finger to just evenly coat the entire ornament. And then once that's done, I'm going to take Epsom salts, which are super inexpensive. You can get them from anywhere. I'm going to liberally coat the ornament, and once it's dried, it should look something like this. I also tried it on red ornaments and green ornaments, and it gives a beautiful frosted look. So last but not least, I'm going to be making these ornaments out of cardstock. These were super fun to make. So to do this, you're going to take a template that I created freehand, and then you're going to use it to cut out 2 shapes from cardstock, 2 for one ornament. And then for one copy, you're going to cut a slit halfway from the top to the middle. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other end, but you're going to make that slit from the bottom to the middle. And then you're going to apply a steady bead of glue to the edge. You can use a brush to spread that glue, but I'm just gonna use my finger because that's what was most handy. And then once that glue is on, sprinkle on your glitter, and then you can shake off the excess into the baking pan that you have. And I highly recommend using a baking pan rather than a flat piece of paper or any other flat tray or whatever, because a pan will catch more of your glitter or Epsom salts and it will prevent you from making a mess. Once that is done, you're going to take the two sides of the ornament and then you're going to basically join them together through the slits. And it should fit together quite snugly. Then I'm going to take some hot glue and I'm going to place it a little dollop in each corner, and then when that dries, that hot glue will make sure that that ornament stays rigid and stays in place rather than folding over. And to hang this ornament on the tree, I'm just going to take a small length of twine. I'm going to put a dollop of hot glue in one of the corners, and I'm just going to embed that twine into that hot glue. And there you have it. If you like this video, hit that like button, comment down below, and share with your family and friends. And make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can stay tuned for the rest of my holiday videos. And I want to thank you all for all the support you've shown. This has been a test run, and in the new year, I'm going to be creating more content that is more catered towards what I want to do. So thank you all for all your support, and I hope you guys like the rest of the 11 videos I have in store for you. So with that, have yourselves a great day.